Hey, welcome to Sober to Stay's Quick Fix. Today we're talking about your mental code. See, whether you're giving into a craving for booze, dope, or cheesecake when you're on a diet, it's not a moral failure. It's a bug in your brain's operating system, and yelling, "just stop," is like shaking a freaking laptop that won't boot. So let's talk about why willpower almost never works. Recovery science says your mind runs in fundamentally three layers. Layer one is that deepest core belief, something like "I'm defective." Ouch. Layer two is the rule your brain writes based on that belief. So, such as, if I feel bad, I have to fix it right now. No pause, no tolerance for any type of discomfort. And then layer three is what shows up on the surface when you think and actually perform the action of "screw it, one won't hurt." So here's what we always get wrong. We yell at layer three. We scream at the behavior. But that's like closing a pop-up ad while running a virus that's still going on underneath. You're not fixing anything. You're just annoyed at the symptom. If you want to actually fix this, let me introduce to you what I call the schema roast. Schemas are the deepest bugs in your mental software, emotional malware that come pre-installed in childhood. You didn't choose them, and they run the whole damn show. So here's what they look like in real life. First, you'll have like the abandonment schema. Your brain whispers, "people always leave." So what do? You leave first. You ghost before you can get ghosted, right? Defectiveness schema is the second one. This one says something along the lines like, I'm garbage, right? Then you got shame that drives the relapse bus. It's never really the substance or the behavior. It's the "I'm not good enough" that's underneath it. Then you have the low self-control schema. This one screams, "I need relief now." Suddenly, a bad mood is a full-blown emergency, a federal case. A 10-minute frustration becomes a reason to blow up your whole night, maybe your whole year, maybe your life, right? That's the real work, though. Not yelling at layer three, but finding the malware at layer one, excuse me. And here's the thing about, white knuckling, clawing your way through. When you try to muscle through this, your brain should flash a 404 willpower not found sign. Because that's not a bug. That's your brain lying to you, telling you that you just need to try harder. Nope, you need to debug. The fix, it's not easy, but it's simple. 3 steps to rewrite the code. Step 1, catch the lie. The lie is whatever your brain says right before you use. It always sounds reasonable, like, "I earned this. I've had a hard week. I'll start again Monday." That's a lie. It's the permission slip your brain hands you so that the behavior feels justified. Your job isn't to argue with your brain. Your job is just to notice it and name it. That's a lie. Step 2, find the rule underneath it. Underneath every lie is a rule your brain wrote a long time ago. "I earn this." Runs on the rule, "if I feel good, I deserve to use." "One won't hurt" runs on, "if I'm in control, the rules don't apply to me." "I've had a hard week" runs on, "if I feel bad, I have to fix it right now." The lie is the surface, the rule is the code underneath. Once you can see the rule, you got something you can actually change. Now, step 3 is ask the right voice. Here's the question. What would someone who actually loves me say right now? Not the coach yelling, "let's go, champ." Not the critic calling you weak. The voice of someone who's seen you at your worst and stayed. What would they say about the lie, about the rule, about what you actually need in this moment? That's the voice you're rebuilding. Every time you ask the question, you're installing it a little deeper. So basically, you're not the bug. You are the programmer. You're the programmer who learned to see it. Now, go update that kernel.